Hello, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do two colours in one row on Mosaic Crochet. So as you can see here on this row we have orange and blue. So this can really elevate your design if you can do more than one colour within a row. And I want to do the next row with the orange and the blue. I'll show you on the chart. So here we have this row, this part of the row has orange and this part has a blue double crochet, orange, blue double crochet. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today, and that way you can jazz up your mosaic crochet to be even more colourful than before. So this is an experiment. I'm just playing and trying out a design. I have a simple cotton zip pouch and I'm making a cover for it so I can make it a lined zip pouch. So that's what I'm making right now. I have just done this row, so these are the drop downs here of this cream row, and now I'm going to be doing row 7 and we're starting off with orange. So as I have already been working my rows, I have my blue and my orange already attached. So I have my orange ready to go, and what I'm going to do is lay the blue across the back of the stitches right at the very top so I catch it as I go. And my first 3 stitches in the orange are single crochets, but this third single crochet I'm only going to do half, so let me show you. So 1 single crochet, I'm going in the back loop only of the work, but I'm also catching this blue and bringing it along with me. 2 single crochets, and then we're going in and just doing half a single crochet. We're going to drop the orange, pick up the blue and finish that stitch with the blue. And then we have a double crochet which is in the blue, so we shall do that double crochet, but we shall only do half of it because we're jumping straight back to the orange. So pick up the orange from the back and complete the stitch in the orange, carry the blue across so you can go over it, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochets in the orange. So we're going in the back loop only with our single crochets, covering the blue, which is bringing it across with us. 3, 4, 5, so it's 6 singles, but we're going to do 5 and a half so we can complete that stitch with the blue, and then we're on to our next double crochet in blue. So we do the double, almost, not quite, because we're going to finish it in the orange, completing the stitch, carrying along. 1, 2, trying to keep that blue sort of not too tight, you don't want to pull it too tight, but keep it nice and tidy underneath. 3, 4, 5, and this 6th one we just do half, take the blue, complete the stitch with the blue, doing our double, pull through 2, leaving 2, drop the blue down, pick the orange back up and complete the stitch. And continue that around. So that is how you change colours within rows. So right before the stitch of the colour change, you complete that previous stitch with the colour that is coming next. So here there's just one stitch, so we only do half the stitch and then complete the stitch in the orange. Here I had two, so I did a whole stitch in orange and then half a stitch in the orange there and completed it and carried it along. I hope that makes sense. So 2, 3, and as you can see the blue is showing if you just tighten it a little. 3, 4, 5, and then the 6th one is half a stitch. Complete the stitch in the next colour, and that leaves you the next stitch, and as it's only one, I'm going to complete that one in the next colour for the next stitch and carry on like that. And as you can see, we now have orange and blue in both rows. I shall continue on around and then show you a bit. Okay, so I've completed that row. I just wanted to show you how that looked on the inside. So as we've carried the colour along, you can't see it under the orange, and this row here where I've carried it along, there are a few little jumps where I've just gone behind the double crochets, because you can't really carry it behind a double crochet, so you just carry it along and it doesn't really affect the inside at all. I also just wanted to show you quickly this exact design in one single colour. So this is this green one here in the middle is the same design but done in a single colour, so it works with both. I just wanted to try something new with this one, so I shall show you in a moment how it looks when it's finished. So here we are, this is the final result. So I've turned it into zip pouch. I love it. And we have the two colours on each row, and as you can see, I didn't do it for this row here, so you can see where the orange goes into the blue. I'm not bothered by that, but I could have planned it better, so this part was orange too, but that's a lesson learned for the future. But I still think it looks absolutely fabulous. I am loving Mosaic Crochet so much. It really has become a true passion of mine, and I just think the results are absolutely beautiful. So that's that one, and again this one here, if I fold those, is that same pattern in a single colour. Both look lovely, but I'm really enjoying doing two colours in each row. So I hope this was helpful to you. Please let me know in the comments. Leave comments, that always helps it boost the algorithm for me. Let's just have a chat about any old thing if you want, and I shall see you again soon for another tutorial. Bye.